Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my August Midnight Muses box. Oops, let me try and figure this out. There we go. All right, Twilight's Shade. Ooh, very interesting. Oh, Nyx. Midnight Muses. This is little art, little multimedia art, I think. And of course, I love these envelopes. It's a new little sticker too. I love the sticker. So cool. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Oh boy. Oh Lord. So I feel like I recognize this deck, but I don't have it. Surrender. I love, she always uses really, really nice paper. We've got a beautiful card. We've got, oh, it smells wonderful. We've got this beautiful tea bag. Ooh, we've got a sachet. I love these. It smells so good. I collect those. I collect everything, guys. Who am I kidding? We've got a Nyx candle. It's like a little unicorn candle. So night. Ooh, my little vials. You know I love these vials. So of course we have casting salts. We have hydrangea root, nice. And we have sage. Very cool. Here we've got an oil in a very pretty little bottle. I like these little square bottles. Nyx Ritual Oil. Smells like the box does, which is pretty. Smells pretty. Ooh, a snuffer! So nice! I love it. It's like very nice. Heavy. Here's our incense sticks. That smells like a flower. Like maybe jasmine, I don't know. Flower incense is not my favorite, but it's still nice. Looks like we got maybe a hematite. Oops, it's tied. Sure looks like a hematite to me, guys. Crimson berry tea. Okay, I got everything out of here. Let's see. Ooh. Very cool. Look at that. I love that. It says peace. Very cool. Let's read the insert. All right. As we move into the last full month of summer for those of us who live in the northern hemisphere, our thoughts turn to cooler days and the magic of the fall. Next month brings the autumn equinox and the beginnings of shadow season. The daylight becomes shorter and the night becomes longer. Nyx is the Greek goddess or personification of the night. She is said to bring a cloak of darkness to the earth by spreading her black veil, creating the night sky and gifting us with a time of rest, beauty, and magic. She rides her chariot, sprinkling stars in her wake. Her appearances are sparse in surviving mythology, but reveal her as a figure of exceptional beauty and power. Zeus himself was said to fear her. She is probably one of the oldest beings in Greek mythology, before 500 BC, predating the Titans and the Olympians, and is said to be birthed from the original primordial chaos. Nyx is said to have prophetic powers and gave oracles from a cave. Being the goddess of night, she is also psychic and is a bringer of truth. When she takes the name Euphronie, she is a mother of good advice. It is said that Nyx passes her daughter, either Himera, who rules the day, twice a day at twilight and dawn. They can only wave at each other from their chariots as they pass through the gates of Tartarus, as one is leaving and the other is returning home. The energy of Nyx can be summoned in relation to moon magic, magic relating to air, sleep, and working with entity spirits on other side of the veil. She is associated with bats, owls, and cats. Nyx took on the important role of poems, so that it just goes on. I'm going to list the contents. So as always, there's a ritual suggestion, but I kind of never follow those. So Twilight Shade Incense Stick. So it's purification, promoting peace and restful sleep. And then we have the casting salts. Which are not for consumption. They're for casting, but not on the ground. Please don't salt your earth. Or you can put in your bath. The Nyx Ritual Oil, which is citrus with notes of white florals and an almond base. It's 100% organic and free of alcohol and other chemicals, so use it within 6 months. So then we have dried hydrangea root. So for unhexing, scatter it around the home or burn. It stands for devotion and understanding, said to promote protection, to redirecting curses, and to rebuild the energy field. Do not consume. The dried sage, promote wisdom and bring good luck. It is said to build emotional strength. Sage is used in magical workings for longevity, protection, and granting wishes. So then we have the Nyx candle. We have the Goddess Spell coin. Each coin has a unique message chosen for you, inscribed on the back of the coin. It carries a blessing and a wish for you in the upcoming month. It also serves as a touch piece, which is a coin or metal to bring good luck or to carry out a specific action. The intent is said to be imbued in the coin, which effectively becomes an amulet. Good luck coins date back to ancient Rome. Very cool. So then the flower offering. This potpourri blend of tulips, cornflowers, lavender, and angel wing pods. Place in an offering bowl on your altar or sprinkle around the candle to boost the candle's magical properties. Tumbled Hematite. Ooh, slippery. Grounding, protection, stability. Is said to promote a sense of safety and security and brings balance to body, mind, and spirit. It's said to promote mental clarity during troubling times. Hold the hematite in your hand after the spell and ceremony work to help ground you. It's believed that it reflects negativity back from whence it came. Where am I? Egyptians used this stone in many ways, from protective amulets to aid in healing. Engraved seals made of hematites have been found in the ancient ruins of Babylon. A brass candle snuffer, which is very cool. Perfect tool to snuff out the candle flame, as some believe it's disrespectful to the element of fire to blow out a candle. Crimson berry tea. Muslim tea bag. The art and the intuitively drawn oracle card from the Vintage Wisdom Oracle. That's what it was. So very cool. I love this box. Love Christy. Love. I get both of the boxes. She has 3 boxes, but 2 of them are kind of similar. Just one's more deluxe. One's deluxe. So this is the Midnight Muses. Very cool. Love the theme. Everything is really cool. Smells really nice. Lovely. Good quality. Very much like it a lot. So please check out the link in the description below. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.